Hello, welcome to Back to Coding. For better understanding of this video, I highly recommend you to check out the previous video or the complete playlist in the description below. Today we'll be talking about why do SQLite databases have a version number. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. The SQLite helper can tell whether the SQLite database needs updating by looking at its version number. You specify the version of the database in the SQLite helper by passing it to the SQLite OpenHelper superclass in its constructor. Earlier on, we specified the version number of the database like this. When the database gets created, its version number gets set to the version number in the SQLite helper, and the SQLite helper onCreate method gets called. When you want to update the database, you change the version number in the SQLite helper code. To upgrade the database, specify a number that's larger than you had before, and to downgrade your database, specify a number that's lower. For example, here we are increasing the version number so the database will get upgraded. Most of the time you will want to upgrade the database, so specify a number that's larger. This is because you usually only downgrade your database when you want to pull changes you made in a previous upgrade. When the user installs the latest version of the app on the device, the first time the app needs to use the database, the SQLite helper checks its version number against that of the database on the device. If the version number in the SQLite helper code is higher than that of the database, it calls the SQLite helper onUpgrade method. If the version number in the SQLite helper code is lower than that of the database, it calls the onDowngrade method instead. Once it's called either of these methods, it changes the version number of the database to match the version number in the SQLite helper. Don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.